Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to defeat the Pain Warden in the latest patch. In the latest patch, there have been some changes to the Pain Warden. In this patch, they fixed a bug where the Pain Warden's roar skill could be blocked by shields. Now, shields are no longer effective against this ability, so you'll need to adjust your strategy accordingly. They also fixed a bug where the giant skull attack could be blocked by shields. On top of that, they've made this skill faster, so you'll need to run from it immediately, as it can cause instant death when it hits you. But none of that will stop us from soloing the Pain Warden. To begin with, here's the skill set I'll be using for this fight. And here's the equipment I'll be using. Also, make sure to bring plenty of potions to counter the effects of the roar skill. Let's begin. Before you start the fight, make sure you have 2 stacks of fireballs ready. Use them before they go on cooldown, so you can cast it up to 5 times, giving you a huge head start in the battle. In this fight, skill management is the key to victory. Prioritize using your ice shell to block both the red circle skill and the giant skull at the same time. Use potions for healing to counter the roar skill, but avoid using bandages, as they'll slow your movement. When the giant skull is chasing you, don't try to use arcane missile to attack. The giant skull might outrun you and hit you. Instead, wait for your fireball and ice pillar to cool down, and use them for your attack. During the jump phase, keep an eye on her by looking up. There's an animation that hints when she's about to land, giving you a high chance to dodge. Additional tip. If the giant skull is chasing you, never stop running. You can block the giant skull with ice pillar or walls, but it's inefficient since you'll need the ice pillar to damage. With the changes in the new patch, the Pain Warden is now much harder to defeat. I highly suggest taking her on as a team for the best chance at victory. Also, I died a lot while making this video, so please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. Your support means a lot. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.